these hipsters think they slick. Let the drum put a rhythm in your hip. Bitch, show that know I'm too cool for that sugar. Shake that nasty shit. I got soul, let me know if you want some. Oh, these hoes don't want none, they just wanna ride it. Can't deny it, banging that back to the kick drum. Let's yourself go.
Looks like rain out there.
What are you talking about?
The weather.
Shit, Mom.
Okay, dear. What do you want me to say?
I want you to say it's all right. Fuck. Okay. I'm going upstairs. So when Rachel gets here, just send her up to my room, okay? And be nice.
I'm always nice to her. So what?
Shit.
Rachel?
Oh, hello.
I let myself in.
Rachel, hi, how are you? I missed you.
What's up?
I missed you, I missed you, I missed you.
Oh, sweetie, I've only been gone a little over a week.
Let's go up to my room right now.
No, Janie. Janie, don't you think it would be better if we had some tea maybe and something to eat?
Mom, I want
Rachel, have you had breakfast, honey?
No, Mrs. Maroon.
Call me Marge. I think we've gone over that.
A bite to eat does sound good. I've been on a bus all night, no food, and what I'd really like is a shower.
Okay, well, there's one in my
First
room.
a shower, then a bite to eat.
Mom.
I'll make some tea.
Great.
Mom.
All set, right?
Janie, chill. I just got here. I'm all
I
sweaty.
don't
I care. Your mom.
I told her. She knows.
What? You told her what?
That I love you. And that I'm gay. And that I want to live with you. That...
Come on, I killed you.
Don't we have anything other than bagels? A Danish or something good?
Bagels will have to
fine.
do. Janie.
What?
Nothing. Here. Take this tea and bring it outside.
Why?
Because I thought it would be nice if we had some tea outside before it rained.
Come on, Rach. I'll show you our garden.
In a second, Janester. In a second. Come on. Give me a moment. I've been doing nothing but running around for the past 2 days.
Rachel,
Mrs. Maroney,
I thought it would be a good idea if we had a
don't
talk.
know what Janie said to you, but I'm not sure it's what I intended.
Oh?
I like Janie. She's great, but
She has a mad crush on you. She thinks she's in love with you. I mean, she's convinced that she's in love with you.
I know.
Isn't that what you intended?
What are you two talking about?
You, Janie, dear, of course. What else?
I told Mom we're in love. I told her we're gonna live together. I told her that. So,
Don't you think it would have been a good idea to ask me first?
what do you mean ask you first? I told her we're gonna live together.
Jane's turn.
We need to talk. I'm gonna go get that shower, but I don't think I'm gonna stay here tonight.
What? Why? I don't...
I don't want to talk about it in front of your mom.
I'll go upstairs.
Janie, when you look into the future, what do you see?
You. Only you.
You want to know what I see out there?
No. No, I don't. Not anymore.